Hey everyone, thanks for watching my video on fractions, decimals, and percents. Let's take a look at this chart and see if we can make some observations, some inferences, and maybe make up a rule, especially changing decimals to percents and percents to decimals. So when I look at a decimal, take a look at this column um, and compare it to my percent column. 88 hundredths, 88%, 35 hundredths, 35%, 1 3/10, 130%, and so on and so forth. You notice here that all of my digits are pretty much the same when I compare my decimals and percents. And going from a percent to a decimal, there are a lot of similarities here. We know that a percent is simply a comparison out of 100. So we know that 88%, hold on. Okay, we know that 88% is a comparison out of 100. So this means 88 out of 100. 88 hundredths, okay? So what I notice here, going from a percent to a decimal, well, 88 out of 100 is 88 hundredths. And so all we're doing is we're moving our decimal 2 times to the left. On your calculator, if you do 88 divided by 100, 88 divided by 100, you're going to get 88 hundredths, 0.88. I'll save you some time here. But yeah, use your calculator and it works out, okay? And 35 divided by 100 gives me 0.35. 130 out of 100 gives me 1.3. So a simple rule to go from a percent to a decimal is we're going to just move our decimal place 2 places to the left. Once, twice. Oh look, we need to add a 0 here. And once, twice. 2.06. So to go from a percent to a decimal, all we need to do is move the decimal place 2 places to the left. So percent, whoa, PRs. Move the decimal 2 places to the left. And what conclusion can we make from going from a decimal to a percent? Looking at our decimal going to a percent, well, think about it. All we're doing is moving our decimal place 2 places in the opposite direction, 2 places to the right. So if I go to a decimal to a percent, let's take this and move this 2 places to the right. Because what we're doing here is we're taking our decimal and multiplying it by 100 instead. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So look, if I move my decimal 2 places to the right, I get 88%. 88 out of 100. Okay. So to go from a decimal to a percent, we're going to move our decimal 2 places to the right. Okay. Thanks for watching my video on converting percent to a decimal and a decimal to a percent.